Hey fam, this is Jan Sam and you're tuned into Easy Rock. Come inside of my heart if you're looking for answer. Looking at the sun is a little bit faster. Ooh. Yan. So I give up forever to touch you, and I know that you feel me somehow. Do I wanna know about this feeling of a girl? Sad to see you so. Finally hard to believe that all the things you see is different from the things that you've been told. I want in life to be this way. Just a little bit of love could mean so much. Yeah. You'll be safe here when nobody hears you scream. I scream with you. You'll be safe. Okay. Kalapastangan ng di ka ibigin, kalokohan ng di ka. Yan. Huwag mo nang magtanong kung kailan. Di ko rin alam paano sa sabayan. Di mo ba alam kung saan dami ng puntahan? Ikaw pa rin di makalimutan. Panandalian na lang ba aking kasayahan? Kahit saan magpunta, di pa rin mawala sa aking isipan. Saan man puntahan, ikaw pa rin di ko malimutan. Right. Remember someone today with Jan Sam.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
links are in the description below.